Is an accident failure of prevention, or is an accident failure of imagination? Hey everybody, Todd Conklin, Pre-Accident Investigation Safety Moment. How are you today? That's a good question. So I don't know. I mean, by knowing, I mean, I don't know the answer to that question. I do tend to see a tremendous amount of organizational work on failure to prevent the accident after an accident happens. I see that everywhere. And I'm not sure that's bad. We can talk about it later when we have a lot of time. But investigating how you failed to prevent the accident probably isn't the same thing as actually investigating the accident. But the idea that it's a failure of prevention or a failure of imagination probably goes to the point that we're pretty good at preventing, but we're not very good at predicting. And if you think about safety or reliable systems as successfully imagining all the potential things that could go wrong, so you have technical safety basis documents if you're a process safety person, TSR reviews, we know these words, right? Then really, if something happens, it's not that we failed to prevent it, it's that we failed to imagine it. And that, man, that really gives this a much different way to think about how we look at our world. If safety differently truly is doing things different, and if disruptive safety is sort of taking the safety that we've had and disrupting it, then maybe one of the first places we ought to start is that question. Do we fail to prevent events from happening, or do we fail to imagine the event could happen? I don't know. Don't have an answer. Sorry. Normally, I make crap up at this point. But I don't have even I don't know. I want to think on it a while. You do the same, because I think they're very different. I do not think they're the same. I think they're very different. Think on it and tell me what you think. That's the safety moment for today. I hope you get what you need. That's important. Have as much fun as you possibly can. Learn something new every single day. Maybe you did today. Who knows, right? Who knows? And for goodness sakes, be safe.